Aditi and today's video is all about stationery supplies that I have recently purchased from Amazon. So let's unbox and review it together.
It's gonna be fun. I'm excited.
So most of the supplies that I've purchased is because they're very cute. No, actually they are cute, but at the same time they are very helpful. So let's see them. So this is the first product that we have for today, and this is Pop-It box.
Pop-It कहते हैं इसको?
I guess so. So this is very trending. आपको खुद ही पता होगा कि Pop-It आजकल कितना ट्रेंडिंग है. And मुझे चाहिए था Pop-It का कुछ, but मुझे टॉय नहीं चाहिए था. Of course मैं चाहती थी कुछ ऐसी चीज हो कि you know it is useful. So I got a box for myself and I just love it. इसकी क्वालिटी बहुत ही अमेजिंग है. Pastel colors are to die for. आप अगर Amazon पे जाके फन ब्लास्ट ब्रांड सर्च करोगे तो आपको वहाँ पे बहुत सारे अमेजिंग स्टेशनरी सप्लाईज मिलेंगे. मैंने इसी वीडियो के लिए 2-3 प्रोडक्ट्स फन ब्लास्ट से परचेज किए हैं एंड उनकी क्वालिटी बहुत ही अमेजिंग होती है. So yes, I kind of liked it and इसकी प्राइस is $379. So yes, overall I like this product. Also, I'm gonna attach this cute unicorn keychain to it, and as you guys know,
I'm so fond of unicorns.
I have purchased this a month back from Amazon itself, and it is for rupees 235, and you get 2 pieces of it. So I'm gonna rate it this box 8 out of 10 for the reason I thought that this would be little thicker, but yeah, that's all right. There is enough space to keep your pencils and everything. Aww. I loved it. ओके तो चलिए देखते हैं नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट क्या है. Okay, so let's talk about this product. The seller has sent me a complete different notebook from what I have ordered. So this is exactly what I have ordered. If I particularly talk about that fun notebook, it was quite soft, fluffy, and I would give it 7 out of 10. So link भी मैंने description box में दे दी in case you want to buy that product, but I had to return it because I wanted a complete different notebook. So I had to try it with different seller of course. And as I already told you कि Fun Blast का जो हमने box purchase किया है, तो Fun Blast से ही मैंने try किया and I got it what I wanted. The packaging is to die for. This is the cutest notebook ever. Let's talk about this product. It is very soft, very cute. The packaging is too good. The pages are very fancy. Okay, so let's talk about pricing. So it is for rupees 616. Go buy it for yourself. I'm sure you're gonna love it. So I'll rate it 10 out of 10. Okay, so let's see what the next product is. So these are very beautiful aesthetic photo frames, and the reason I have bought it because I wanted my grandparents' photo to get framed in a very beautiful manner, and it comes in a pair of 2 and it is for rupees 247. मुझे स्टार्टिंग में लगा कि ये ऊपर इसके फ्रेम में ये जो हमें लगा हुआ स्टिकर मिला है तो it would affect the photo, but it is a easy peel off. और यहाँ पे भी हमें peel off मिला हुआ है तो ये हम इजीली निकाल सकते हैं अपने फोटो फ्रेम में. बट मुझे फिनिशिंग बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं आई पीछे से. सो येस आई विल रेट इट लाइक 7 or 7.5 out of 10. बट या इट इज़ वेरी गुड फॉर योर होम डेकोर. यू कैन ट्राई इट ऑफ कोर्स. ओके तो चलिए देखते हैं नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट क्या है. So these sketch pen organizers are a must-have if you are a stationery lover or a crafter. These are a must-have in your craft table, and I just love the quality. It is very sturdy. The color is very good. It is translucent. That is what I love the most about it. So yeah, one most important thing, it doesn't come in a pair. These are for rupees 250 each. ये मैंने अलग से 2 परचेज किए हैं, ये पेयर में नहीं आए हैं. सो ये आप प्लीज वीडियो देख के मिस्टेक मत हो जाएगा कि 250 के 2 हैं. दीज आर फॉर रुपीज 250 ईच. सो दिस इज फॉर रुपीज 500 and I will rate it 9 out of 10. I loved it. Okay, so let's see what next product is. from Miniso doesn't need any introduction, you know. If you know, you know. These are for rupees 190 each, and quality though, as you know, Miniso provides so good quality. And the reason I have purchased two is because minimum quantity जो purchase करने की थी वो 2 थी. You cannot purchase one. So if you're planning to buy it, so you have to buy two of them. So I will rate them 8 out of 10 for the reason they are too small, but हमें तो craftable भी रखना है. For example, if I'm keeping it here, so it is more than enough for me. So last for today is this double-sided silicone tape. और अगर आप मेरी videos regularly देखते होगे तो you must be knowing कि मैंने ये पहले भी purchase किया है, and I am in love with this product. It is very helpful. So it is reusable, washable and removable. Everything, you know, everything. In case अगर आपको अपने washroom में hooks वगैरह attach करना है तो उसके लिए भी ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा amazing product है. It is a must try. So this is 3mm wire and it is for rupees 279 and I'm gonna rate it 9.5 out of 10. So सारे products की link description box में है. In case you want to buy for yourself, go check it out. You will love it for sure. Also Amazon में mega fashion weekend sale is going on, so you get up to rupees 70% off. Plus you get extra 300 rupees off on fashion and beauty on minimum purchase of 3000 on all your prepaid orders. Plus you get free shipping on your first fashion order. So yes, go and grab the opportunity and order now. So that's all for today's video. I hope आपको आज की हॉल वीडियो पसंद आई होगी. पसंद आई तो लाइक शेयर कमेंट करना ना भूलें और हमारा चैनल जरूर सब्सक्राइब करें. तो मिलेंगे ऐसी ही और सारी वीडियोस के साथ जल्दी. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, टेक केयर, सी यू, डू टेक वेरी गुड केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ.
अरे कहाँ जा रहे हो? ये वाली वीडियो तो देखते जाओ.